Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to increase screen timeout on REALME P3. Let's begin! So, first we want to simply head into our settings. Inside settings, we can go into display and brightness, and we can scroll down, and in here we have something called auto screen off, which is exactly what we need. And currently it is set to 30 seconds. This means that after 30 seconds of inactivity, or simply me yapping about to the camera, our screen should automatically turn itself off. However, we can just click this and we can bump up this value to, for example, 2 or 5 minutes. Now it will take full 5 minutes to wait for our screen to automatically turn itself off. Note that, generally speaking, the bigger the value, the bigger the better usage. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.